I'm here with a patient who traveled from Missouri, and she is here in Florida because she underwent laser spine surgery here at Deuk Spine Institute. We've been performing laser spine surgery for 20 years. She was actually the 2,755th patient that underwent the Deuk Laser Disc Repair, our version of laser spine surgery, and in my opinion, the most successful, safest, most effective, and durable type of laser spine surgery. Now, you had back pain for 11 years you suffered with. Why did you choose to come to Deuk Spine Institute?
I was searching for all this time for relief from pain, the sciatic pain and everything else. I had gone to back specialists. I'd gone to chiropractors. I had acupuncture. I went to orthopedic surgeons that actually, two of them told me I needed a total hip replacement on the right side, which stressed me out so terribly. Everything I've tried did not work. I was told that I would just have to take pain medications for the rest of my life. I had been on used walkers, canes, you name it. I was not even able to go on my dream honeymoon trip to Italy because I knew I wouldn't be able to walk more than 15, 20 minutes max before I would have shooting pain that would just leave me like one of the beautiful statues there. Now I'm going to get to go on a honeymoon.
So this pain you came to Deuk Spine with in your back and down your leg, do you still have that pain?
No, it stopped right after surgery. My life's changed, and I just had it yesterday. So it was very easy. I can't believe how fast it was and how it's, my life is going to be changed now. I have no words. I really don't. Total transformation of my life. Yeah.
And you were in healthcare for many years, so you've seen the situations with insurances and patients.
Yes, I was a medical billing specialist.
I just want to thank you for sharing your story with everyone. There's lots of people out there just like you who are searching for an answer to their back pain, and they want to get it fixed.
This is it. Don't go any further.
Don't give up hope.
There's no need.
Don't give up hope.
That's right.
Well, enjoy the rest of your life, and I do expect you to go back to Italy.
I'm going to go. Yeah.
And enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.